Hi, today we are going to talk about notorious Ruby technique known as monkey patching. Well, as we all have known that open class is a pretty useful feature, but there are some side effects when you overuse or abuse it. Monkey patching is a technique to add, modify, or suppress the default behavior of a piece of code at runtime without changing its original source code. Also, this feature is mainly used by gem or library writers to add features to Ruby's core classes. Here is an example use case. Let's assume we want to replace a value in an array with something else. Instead of writing this code every time, we create a helper method and use it from every part of the application. Let's try if this method really works. If it really replaces the item in the array. Looks like it works. Hey! Since the example works, we wish to make it more easier to use from the application scope. So we decide to open the array class and add the method within. Nice! It works! Yay! You define your method, but you didn't realize that there is a method named replace defined already in the array class, and their behavior is completely different. Your method replaces an element while the other replaces the whole array. So this is the disadvantage of using the monkey patching technique in Ruby. This is why one must be very careful while opening core library classes like string, array, and hash. Ruby language is designed in such a way that any method you need is often already defined and ready to use. I would recommend you to go through all the methods and core libraries in the website, and this will help you to write better, efficient code and be a better software developer. Thanks. This much for this episode. See you in the next episode.